Now open the SPSS software on your laptop. Just take some time to get open. And let's see. Now it's open. Just close this window. And after that, you need to load your Excel file which contain your data. Go to the file, open, click on the data. It will appear a window. You can choose the file format, which is Excel usually. File type, and after that you can open the location where your file is, like mine is in the desktop. So see, my demo data is my file which I want to load in the SPSS. Click to open. Now you see this window, and it's showing you all the sheets containing in your Excel sheet and all the data on the on that sheet. Just leave the default, click on OK. Now all the data of your Excel sheet will load on the SPSS. Now go to the graph chart builder. Just keep it okay. Now this window will appear. Now you see the list of all the outputs what we need. Just I want to use pie. Just drag that pie on the screen. The pie chart is selected. I need my output as a pie. I select my variable which I want to show on the pie chart. Just click on. Before click on OK, you can see the properties. You can change the color of your graph and other settings which you can leave it default. Click on OK. Now you can see the pie chart of your data, but it's not containing so much data. Now you double click on the pie chart. Now this window will appear, chart editor. Now you click on this hide data labels. Now a properties window will appear. Now you see there are two screens, displayed and non-displayed. You want which information to be displayed on your pie chart, just push it on the displayed window by the arrow key. Click on apply. Now you're able to see the percentages are visible on the pie chart. Just close this window and you will see the output on our pie chart. As you're able to see now, we are able to see the percentages on our pie chart. um, or again we double click and the editor window will appear. After that, again we click on the property button, and we can also see there are many other options. We can edit our pie chart, like in colors, borders, data, titles, chart size. We can set the size of our chart and other basic layout features. Okay, then after that, this is the whole about chart. Or if you want to save your result, there is an export option. Just click on that, export output. Here you can choose the format of your export file. Like I am selecting the doc, which is a Word file, and then you give it the name and the path where the output is going to be saved. Like I giving the name of demo. You can also browse, click on the browse button and select the location where you want to save your output, and after that you can click on OK. As you see, your output will be loaded to the desired location. Let's close it. Now we are going for the next output type, which is a bar chart. Now again click on the chart builder and click on the OK. Now we're gonna select the bar option from the gallery. Just click on the bar. Yeah. Now drag. There are different kind of bar graphs. As first one is the simple one, it's just have a x-axis and y-axis. The other one is a clustered bar graph. If you have more than one variables to show, and after that there is a stack which is also uses a multiple variables, but as you know we only have a one variable that is in a data, so we're gonna use the simple bar graph. I just drag it on the screen, and after that drag your variable to the x-axis or where you want to show. Then after that just leave all default, click on OK. Now we're able to see our bar graph is showing, and after that again double click on that and click on this properties window. You will see the properties here. Just push the setting, the data you want to display to the displayed window. Now you're able to see, we just able to see the all the percentages tag on that. And again, you want to save it, just click on export. You can select the file format of your output. As I selected only graphics only, and I select the format as jpg, which is an image. It will output will be shown as an just an image. I give it to name to my output. And you can also select the location where you want to save the output file. And click on the browse, you can select where you want to save your file. I select the desktop. You need to give the name of your output file. I give it to demo. Save it. Just click on the OK. It's just loading the output. And I just saved it on the desktop. I go to the desktop. As you are able to see, there is a jpg file of my output, which is having my bar graph. Let's go back to the SPSS. This is about the bar graphs, and now we are going to see the next, which is an correlate. If you wanna find the correlation of the data, you can use the correlation function, which is under the analysis tab. You see there are different kind of correlations, but we can't do that because we only have a one variable. We can't find any correlation between any of the other. As you see, there is only one variable. Okay, just cancel it and again go to the analysis. We able to see there are different operations or options we can use, and there is this compare means where we find the t-test. This is also asked by the students to find the t-test. You can select it from here and just need to drag your data there and you will find the t-test. So this is about a t-test. Again, you can just go to the export option and you can save your result. Yeah, so let's go back to SPSS. So this is, I think, all about we covered. You can also find the regression from here if you need to find the regression of your data. And yeah, everything you find in the analysis. And if you want to build some bar graphs, you can, or chart, you can go to the chart builder, and here the chart builder window appears. You can select any of the bar graphs or the pie charts or